Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kentorey. We have a push day workout today. I'm extremely tired. I'm extremely sore. I've been working out for 4 months straight, literally 5 to 6 workouts per week. So in this video, you'll see that my shoulder is kind of exhausted. I think I'm gonna take this upcoming week. I'm gonna take it off and just like recover, try to heal my shoulder because it's really like, I don't know if I've tried to push too hard on something, but yeah. But for right now, I'm warming up my chest, and I'm really not a technical guy when it comes to knowing all the details of working out. I'm really just back in the gym, figuring it all out. But for right now, I know I am warming up my shoulders. I already stretched before the video. But yeah, I'm warming up my shoulders, warming up my chest area, and now I'm starting my workout. I'm gonna do 4 sets of 5. Going up in weight. This is really heavy to me. The most I've ever done an incline chest press, even in college, I think the most I've done was 135. So, and that was like 1 or 2 reps. I was avoiding the gym in college when I was playing basketball. I should have been in the weight room, but it is what it is. Now I'm back in the gym. But yeah, right now this is like some of the heaviest weight I've done. And my arms are long, so try to push that weight up may be extremely tough for somebody that's my height, and I am 6'8", by the way, and my arms are probably maybe a 7-inch wingspan. I don't know, I haven't measured it. But yeah, this weight is heavy. Now I'm at 185, I think. I might be wrong. I'll put the information in the video if I am wrong. But yeah, I'm gonna do 185 for 5. My shoulder is really bothering me, but I'm still gonna do the weight because I'm gonna take this week off. I do use my back a lot in this this set. Like arching my back to get it up. Let me know in the comments if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I really don't know. I see a lot of people doing that, like arching their back when they're on flat bench to get the weight up. It did help, but I just want to be safe. So if y'all have any information on that, let me know. All right, so now we're moving on to straight arm extensions. This is another workout that is like shoulder, chest dominant. At least that's where I feel it at the most. I'm gonna do 4 sets of 15. I'm trying to keep my arm as straight as possible. I know it's not straight, but this is probably the straightest it's gonna get right now for me. I am using a 20-pound dumbbell. I want to keep the weight kind of moderate. I don't want to overexert myself, especially with my shoulder already having like some issues. So I just wanted to keep the weight at a decent amount and try to get the best out of this workout. So in this video, I'm gonna make sure I get at least 2 different angles so y'all can see like the full aspect of the workout that I'm doing. So you can have like a better understanding, I guess, or better visual understanding of what I'm doing. I recently got a DM about some of my fitness goals. Right now, to be honest, I've created a routine that I've been sticking to, that I'm probably gonna stick to until, March, April, May, to the beginning of June. I might switch up my routine. My biggest goal is to make sure I'm going every day that I say I'm gonna go. I've been trying to stick to a strict routine, something that works for me. I am busy, I do work. I have another job that I do that requires a lot of time and requires me to get a lot of sleep. I will be updating y'all on that. But for right now, just to make sure I stay consistent, that's the biggest thing. And I have been doing that. Like I said, I've been going to the gym 5 to 6 weeks. 5 to 6 days a week. And it's been paying out tremendously. Tremendously becoming my favorite word. I don't know why I've been saying that a lot, but the results has been paying off. 4 months ago, I was not this size, and I'm not the biggest guy, but when you see the past photo of how I look compared to right now, and I know I got a long way to go, but you can see a huge difference. So that consistency part played a lot in my results that I have now. So yeah, some of my fitness goals is to stay consistent and to make sure I'm eating enough food throughout the day. I'm pretty busy and I kind of forget to eat. So those are the two things that I'm really focused on right now, just making sure I fuel my body. All right, so now this exercise that I'm doing is called, man, I forgot what it's called. I'm going to the gym today for the last day this week, and I'll put the name of this exercise on the screen. I'm doing 4 sets of 10, I believe. All right, so we're moving on to overhead cable extensions. This is probably one of my favorite workouts because it targets my triceps and it makes my arm look bigger. Obviously, I love that. I am doing 4 sets of 20. I'm doing 4 sets of 20 cable extensions, overhead cable extensions, and I have the weight on like 170, no, 110, I believe. But yeah, this is one of my favorite exercises. I love extensions, anything to do with triceps. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I've kind of like injured my shoulder doing tricep dips, like chest tricep dips on the like calisthenic machine. Because at the end of the video, you'll see me try to do seated dips and I cannot do it. All right, so now we're approaching the last workout for today's session. We'll be doing military press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps with the weight at 65 to 75 pounds. Me personally, I do not overextend, like lock my arms out at the top on this exercise. I don't really like doing that at all. It just wasn't a good feeling doing it, so I try to stay away from locking it, especially for this exercise. The heaviest weight that I've done on military press was 135. I'm trying to get back to that, but for right now, I'm a long way from that. I think right now I'm doing 105 standing military press. I'll probably hit 135 before summer, so that's a goal, to hit 135 standing military press before summer. But yeah, I'm about to wrap this video up. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will be taking this next week off of workouts for recovery and basically resetting my workout. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, at the end, you'll see me attempt to do bench dips. And I probably got like 4 reps in, but I had to get up. All right, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.